everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. We're going to start with blending. Have your choppers ready? Here we go. B, it, bit, l, k, lock, g, ass, gas, it, fit, mom, sad, 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 sock, hid, axe, wax, pot, pot. Good. Okay, let's get ready to roller coaster some words. Here we go. The first word is hit. It. The next word is pop. Up. Ham. Rip. Rip. Sat. At. Hill. Ill. Dot. Dot. Van. An. And the last one is fix. Ix. Good. All right, now we're going to segment phonemes. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we're going to chop it into 3 separate phonemes or sounds. Here we go. Wag. W-A-G. Gob. G-A-B. Dig. D-I-G. Pan. P-A-N. Box. B-ox. Miss. M-is. Mad. M-A-D. Big.
Can you see my answer?
Big. Rod. R-A-D. Dig. D-I-G. Good job. Okay, get your fists ready because we're going to do phoneme substitution. Here we go. The word is pig. Change p to d. Dig. The word is zap. Change z to l. Lap. The word is fit. Change f to hit. The word is hot. Change to not. The word is dad. Change d to had. Good work. I hope this is spelling easier for you now because we have been practicing some of these for a long time. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part of the word, the rhyme, and then we'll add the onset, the beginning sound, and clap to make a new word. The word is ox. Add b to the beginning. Box. The word is ick. Add s to the beginning. Sick. The word is awk. Add r to the beginning. Rock. The word is im. Add h to the beginning. Him. The word is op. Add to the beginning. Mop. Good job. Last one. Deleting phonemes. So we're going to say a word and then we're going to remove the beginning sound. The word is dip. Without d, the word is ip. The word is hot. Without h, the word is ought. The word is fog. Without f, the word is og. The word is pan. Without p, the word is an. The word is wag. Without w, the word is ag. And that's it. Great job today.